By international relations expert Dr. Emmanuel Navon and our defense correspondent Daniel Tzemach. Thank you both for being with us. Dr. Navon, I want to start with you and this Polish bill. We just heard the lawmakers saying the research of the past will not be threatened in any way, even the dark periods. Does that mean that you can go to Poland and say, look, people here have been assisting the Holocaust and still walk away from that prison sentence which the bill is threatening on?
But the problem with the bill is that it says the following: whoever accuses the Polish state or the Polish nation of being partially responsible or collaborating with the Nazis can face up to 3 years in jail.
Define Polish nation.
Exactly. So here's the Polish nation, the whole Polish nation as a whole. I mean, there were some righteous among the nations who helped the Jews, but there were also many Poles who did, help the Nazis. So if you just state the fact that some Poles did collaborate with the Nazis, do you accuse the Polish nation as a whole? If you do, if a judge says that, yes, that's accusing the Polish nation, you can end up in jail for 3 years. And that's a major problem with this law. Again, technically, yes, those camps were not Polish. They were built by the Germans, by the Nazis. But you also had some Poles who did collaborate with the Nazis. And that's the problem with this law. By saying the Polish nation, accusing the Polish nation, that's a very problematic wording.
And Israel is perhaps looking at some kind of retaliation. We're now hearing of bills being passed here in Israel to assist anyone who is facing such judicial problems in Poland. Also, perhaps implementing larger sanctions here on Israel on anyone denying the Holocaust. But yet again, this is something that has to be dealt with by two governments, two close governments, two friendly governments up until now. But this will is already causing a major rift between the two countries.
Yeah, it is. I mean, there is a technical danger that, Israeli tour guides in Auschwitz, for example, talking about, like, let's say now they'll be careful not to say the Polish death camps, but let's say they talk about the responsibility of the Polish nation in the Holocaust. By saying that, they could be prosecuted, arrested in Poland. So there has to be protection to protect tour guides, not only Israeli tour guides, but any tour guide, talking about the responsibility of many Poles or the Polish nation in the Holocaust, because they could face prosecution and they have to be protected.
Dr. Emmanuel Navon, thank you.